As loud as you can.
What's up, guys?
Sayaw pa. Sing!
Gary Mix TV.
One more. Sige, sayaw pa. Sing! Thank you, thank you. Bawat galaw ng katawan ay natutula para pag-naaakin na kahanda na pula kung umulo sa walang kapatid mong ganda.
Hindi ko nagpapalayo ng mga flowers, sakit na patay.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Bring everyone, guys.
Before we
What's
proceed,
up?
gusto ko lang din
Gary
pasalamatan,
Mix TV.
syempre,
Don't forget.
yung nag-organize
Like
ng
and
event.
share to my YouTube channel.
Tito and Tita,
Salamat sa inyong lahat.
maraming salamat for always inviting Dear Dahlia.
Walang sawa
And
yung
sa lahat ng mga kapatid na supporters
sa aking YouTube channel.
ng Dear Dahlia, thank you so
maraming
much,
salamat.
guys. Sobrang ramdam
God
namin
bless
yung
sa inyong
support
lahat.
nyo.
And po, mag-iingat po kayo lagi.
Next song na gagawin pala namin, first time namin gagawin to. Actually, kanina lang namin chinap tong song na to. Tapos hindi pa namin na-release to. So, this is the first time na nagpa-perform namin to ng live. It's about, here's a song about love. About, alam mo yung parang ayaw niya na, pero parang ayaw niya pang bumitaw. Pero sasabihin mo na lang, sige na, sabihin mo na lang.
Hoy, Kuya Dan, how are you?
Alam mo yun?
Parang sinong gwapo? Puta na kang gwapo ha.
Guys, actually, pwede kayo lumapit dito
Dito lang tayo.
pumalong tayo.
Abay, yung ano, lahat naman yung para sa lahat yan. Diyan yung kaibigan.
Okay ba tayo lahat? Nag-enjoy tayo lahat?
Yeah!
Alright. Next song. Here's our new single, unreleased single. This song is called Sabihin Na.
Sabihin na, yeah! Sabihin na.
1, 2, 3, go! Suddenly, when it is
daming tao.
Everybody clap your hands with me.
Alright, so hanggang dito na lang tayo guys. Ha?
Clap, 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 clap.
Takit sa mata, takit sa lahat.
Thank you so much, guys. 1, 2, 3, go! You're